The Ryobi One Plus 18-volt brad nailer offers impressive power and efficiency with its brushless motor technology, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring innovative AirStrike technology, this tool eliminates the hassle of compressors and hoses, allowing for easy maneuverability and faster setup on any job site. The AccuDrive nose design enhances precision by providing an excellent line of sight, ensuring accurate nail placement even in tight or awkward spaces. With the capability to drive up to 2,250 nails per charge, this nailer offers remarkable runtime and power, making it suitable for extended use. The tool-free depth adjustment and jam release features provide convenience and ease of use, reducing downtime and enhancing productivity during projects. As part of the extensive Ryobi One Plus system, this brad nailer is compatible with over 260 cordless tools, offering great versatility for any tool collection.